Look, chances are if you're watching this video, you are either broke, hungry or both. But I am here to give you the straight up blueprint on how to get rich starting from $0. Now let's set the record straight. You're probably not going to get rich by investing in some overpriced JPEG of a monkey or trying to outrate the Wall Street bros on Forex sitting in your mom's basement. But does that mean all hope is lost? Absolutely fucking not. In fact, now with the inflation looming and interest rates going wild, and inflation making your grocery bill look like a down payment on a house, there are actually a lot of opportunities lurking around. So grab your overpriced coffee and let's just dive in.
Alex, what's that on your wrist?
I call her chandelier.
Alex, what's on your wrist? Oh!
I call her chandelier.
I'm about to give you the clear-cut path on how to build wealth. No, I'm not here to sell you a course for $1,000. This is real, practical advice you can start today. No matter how many pennies you got rolling around in your mom's knowledge. But before we jump in, smash that like button or you will end up like this guy who bought Dogecoin at its peak. Pain.
They ain't believe in us. God did. God did.
Step 1 is stop chasing shiny objects. First things first, let's talk about focus. Most people lose the money game because they get distracted by every get rich quick scheme out there. One week is crypto, the next is flipping NFTs, then it's something ridiculous as becoming a travel influencer. Bro, if you want to build real wealth, you need to stop trying to hit home runs with every swing. You think Jeff Bezos built Amazon overnight because he was chasing a simple bug? Nah, my guy grinded in his garage, shipped book to people and probably drank ungodly amount of Red Bull in the process. Instead of trying to chase the next shiny object, focus on building something sustainable. Pick one thing and go deep. Whether it's a side hustle, learning a high demand skill or flipping items in general, just stick with it. Guys, I'm telling you, consistency is way more powerful than trying to get rich overnight. Like, you're more likely to win the lottery while getting struck by lightning than getting rich overnight. Step 2. Start with skills and no money. Here's the deal. Money follows skills. You want to get rich starting from zero? You've got to level up your skill set. You don't have to be out here trying to invent the next iPhone or become the new Elon Musk. But you do need to offer something that people find valuable. Maybe it's learning how to code. Maybe it's copywriting. Maybe you're a social media wizard and you can turn dusty Instagram pages into engagement machines. Whatever it is, find something that people will pay you for. Once you do, you can charge more, work less and level up from there. I, for example, started growing Instagram theme pages from my mom's basement. Yeah, that's right, your boy was out here like a low budget Gary Vee. Started from the trenches. It wasn't glamorous, but it worked. It paid the bills.
My price went up.
Step number 3. Embrace the side hustle.
Embrace the side hustle.
Let's be real, unless you were born into wealth or won the lottery, you'll probably have to hustle your way to the top. I'm not saying to quit your job tomorrow and go full I'm going to be a YouTube star, that's not it. But what I'm saying is that the best way to build wealth is to stack your income streams. I'm talking side hustles, baby! Whether it's reselling sneakers, freelance work, or becoming a TikTok influencer, you'd be surprised, you need an extra income. If you can save an extra $500 or $1,000 from your side hustle, that's money you can invest in assets. More on that later. But the idea is to get your side hustle to the point that it starts paying real money. Once you hit that point, you are cooking with gas. And listen, I don't care if you are flipping old electronics, running a dog walking business, or selling digital products online, as long as it's legal and scalable, run with it.
Khaled, you see this SNL budget?
Budget approved.
Step number 4. Use other people's money. Alright, so now that you've been making some cash, you might be wondering, how do I make that money multiply faster than rabbits at the zoo? That's where you tap into the power of OPM, other people's money. And no, I'm not talking becoming a con artist, obviously. I'm talking real estate, baby! Over the last 20 years, about 90% of the world's millionaires have made their money through real estate. leverage loans, find investors, or even partner up with someone who got cash and doesn't even want to do the work. Buy a property, rent it out, let the tenants pay the mortgage, and you've got yourself a cash generating machine. This strategy is definitely not fast or flashy, but it definitely works. Basically, you find a cheap house, fix it up, and you start charging monthly for a higher price. Rinse and repeat, and you start stacking properties like it's monopoly houses. Step number 5. Live below your means. Yeah, that's right. Now I know. Sounds about as fun as eating plain rice cakes every day. But let me tell you something. The real reason a lot of people stay broke is because they try to live like they are rich before they actually are rich. You want to know why the average millionaire drives a Toyota Corolla instead of a Lamborghini? Because they know the real flex is having financial freedom, not trying to look rich. Trust me, there is nothing sexy about blowing all your paycheck into glorified gadgets, designer clothes, or bottles at a club. You can still have fun without going broke. Instead of blowing money on dumb stuff, save and invest it. Think about it. You could buy that sneakers that you want right now, or you could put that money away into a broker's account and see your money grow over time. Don't be the guy who's out here flexing but can't even buy a house. Be smart, play the long game, and keep your expenses in check. Now the last step, step 6, is investing in yourself, skills and education wise. The best investment you'll ever make in your life is not Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's you. If you really want to get rich, you need to level up. Start reading books, listening to podcasts, or taking online courses. Everything can help. Learn everything you can about entrepreneurship, personal finance, and investing. I started diving into financial books and YouTube when I was 16. It didn't make me rich overnight, but it gave me the mindset that I needed to build wealth. You don't need a college degree to get rich, but you do need knowledge. And the more you know, the more opportunities you see. And always remember, the goal isn't to be the smartest person in the room. It's to be the most resourceful. Soak up knowledge from people that already have done the things you want to do and use that to accelerate your growth. Alright guys, if you made it this far, you are already ahead of the 90% of people watching this. Congrats, you are officially not lazy. Now, of course, the next step is actually doing something with this info. You can watch all the videos, read all the books, and listen to all the podcasts. But if you are just magically thinking that money will appear into your bank account, you're definitely mistaken. The game is very simple. Grind it out, stack your cash, and invent into assets, and make your money work for you. Whether it's real estate, e-commerce, or a wild side hustle that you figured out, you gotta start somewhere. And hey, I'm not saying that's the only way to get rich. That's just what worked for me. If you have a crazy dream to becoming a TikTok influencer, just go for it. But just don't expect a Lambo next Tuesday. But seriously, this is all about making moves now, so you cannot stress about money later. I mean, who wants to be that guy still grinding at his 60s? Not me. So if you got some value out of this video, please hit the like button, or even if you feel generous, feel free to subscribe. It's literally free. Alright, now go out there and secure that bag. See you on the next one. Peace.